Christmas Ddakji games! Oh! Okay, this is a hard game. Oh no! Okay, I'm just playing Ddakji by myself. But today, for our art along, we are making Christmas Ddakjis. What this is a popular Korean game where you throw one of these to another and try to flip it around. We'll put the rules in the descriptions below so that you can play it. But we thought this game would be a fun Christmas activity to do with friends and family during the holidays. So, let's begin. All you need is 2 sheets of regular printer paper or any type of drawing paper, and it doesn't have to be a new sheet. For example, this one I just used some old printed out paper that we had, and it works perfectly fine too. And at the end, we're going to decorate it with our markers. So with your printer sheet, all you'll have to do is fold it first in half and another half, so that you're left with this long piece. And it's folded in half twice, so it has these 4 sections. Okay? And then I like to turn it sideways really quick and fold one corner up so that it makes a triangle on the side right here. And then I want to make another triangle on this side, so same thing. Bring this fold corner up so that it makes another triangle. And we're gonna do this all over again with our second sheet of printer paper. Now you have 2 sheets folded into this parallelogram shape, if you all know geometry. And so with these 2 sheets, you're going to put one on top of the other. And what we're gonna do is fold all these triangles up to the square we have in the middle. This is an easy way to make these Ddakjis without having a square sheet of paper in the house, because some instructions call for a square sheet of paper. But we thought this actually works well too. Okay. So now I folded 3 of the triangles up, and I'm going to get the 4th one up too. But the trick here is I need to put this triangle corner into the first one we folded. So I'm gonna make a little hole here with the first triangle. And then as I'm folding the last one up, I'm gonna tuck the corner into the little hole that we have from the first one and flatten it out a little bit. And that's it. You have your Ddakji, and it's a blank piece of paper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna decorate it, and I'm gonna write my name on it so that I know which one is mine for the Ddakji games. And I'm just gonna put some fun Christmassy decorations on it. But you can decorate it however way you want. And this isn't just a Christmas game, everybody. It's a all year round game that you can do with kids, adults, anyone who likes to have fun. It's a great way to spend time indoors or outdoors with your friends and family. Well, there you have it. I've decorated my Ddakji, and now I'm going to challenge someone to a game. Hope you enjoyed this art along video of how to make a Ddakji, and enjoy your Christmas holidays. See ya!